Good afternoon. Today I will make an interview to the professor Paola Carrillo. So now I will ask some questions about sugarcane in human health. Okay, well, how much sugar should a person consume to be healthy?
It depends if you are consuming just sugar or another kind of sweeteners. For example, the the high fructose corn syrup is not sugar, but it's sugary, so it makes the food sweet. And if you eat a lot of these sweeteners that has calories, have calories, it's not good if you eat more than the 10% of your calories from the day from these sweeteners.
Does too much sugar affect the organism?
Yeah, the sweeteners, not just sugar, but sweeteners. If you have a lot of them, you can have, for example, problems with the fat in your body, and also you can have problems in regulate the insulin and the reaction of the insulin that sometimes could be very very dangerous if you don't have a good reaction with insulin in your body.
And what happens if a person consumes too much sugar?
You can develop some diseases. One, for example, is diabetes, but also you can develop this condition that is obesity or overweight. That if you consume a lot of these sweeteners, sugar in this time, you can have, for example, a lot of fat in your body, and that refers to obesity or overweight.
Which are the main benefits of sugarcane?
You can have, for example, from sugar cane, you can have sugar that's different. Sugar cane is the plant. The sugar that you have, for example, for athletes, you can have a lot of energy, and also you could have, for example, energy that is very fast. So if you are doing a lot of physical activity, you can have, for example, one little tablespoon of sugar, and you can feel the energy because it's very fast energy that you could have from sugar. But in these conditions that you can use it in your body. If you are not going to use it, it get in the fat tissue, and it get bad because is in the fat tissue.
And can sugarcane occupy a more teaspoon uses other than consumption?
You can use approximately 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar every day. So maybe you can have these like the cut the cut point of that is just three tablespoons, but it's not tablespoon, it's teaspoon, it's the little one.
How many calories do tablespoon of sugar has?
A teaspoon, the little one, has 5 grams, and in terms of calories you can have 5 or 20 kilocalories, 20 calories.
And are there any more alternative other than sugarcane?
For to have a product that is sweet, you can have a lot. You have this high fructose corn syrup, you can have fructose, you can have glucose, you can have also sugar that came from beet, and also you can have other that doesn't have calories. For example, the sucralose, and also the aspartame, and also the acesulfame.
And can humans live without sugar in their organisms?
Without sugar, yes, but without carbohydrates, no. You can have carbohydrates and take sugar from them. For example, if you eat a bread, you can have sugar from them, and then you can use it in your brain, because the brain just use glucose. What we do not, we cannot live is without glucose, and is part of the sugar. But you can have find glucose in other carbohydrates.
Oh. Which are the benefits of sugarcane and white sugar?
White sugar and brown sugar. The benefits is just because they are very, they are not expensive. They are very cheap. You can find, for example, sugar help you in the structure of some foods. For example, the cookies, you cannot make cookies without sugar. So that's the benefits. But inside your body, you can have energy very fast, and for some people, it's very good that, because you are using the fast this fast energy. But if you are not going to use, even if it's brown sugar or white sugar, it's the same.
Is sugarcane addictive?
No, it's not an additive. It has additives. The sugar cane, the white one, they use this sulfuric acid to make the sugar white, and to keep all these impurities that, for example, the brown sugar has. Sometimes the sulfur stays on the sugar, and for some reason they say that it's not good. But sometimes they are not. So you have white sugar and you have the brown sugar, and it's the same, and the calories are the same.
And for people, it's addictive.
No, addictive.
Yes.
Okay, addictive. No, it's not addictive. It's not addictive.
Which one has more calories, brown sugar or white sugar?
Are the same. You have the same grams of sugar and brown sugar. If you compare, sometimes the brown sugar has a lot of impurities, so maybe you can have less calories, but are not significant. So it's the same if you eat white sugar or brown sugar.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Listo.